Are you tired of creating a presentation from scratch and ready to let AI create the brilliance for you? Make sure you're using the right websites. We've got a top 10 list coming up. AI is revolutionizing how we create presentations, and with AI presentation makers, you can craft stunning, impactful presentations in a fraction of the time, regardless of your design experience. However, with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be quite difficult, but don't worry. In this video, we've got you covered. Today, we're reviewing the 10 best AI presentation makers for 2024, diving into their features, pricing, pros, and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 10 and starting us off is Decktopus. Decktopus simplifies the process of creating professional presentations using AI-driven content suggestions and smart templates. Their top features include AI content suggestions, smart templates, brand customization, ease of use with drag and drop functionality, and collaboration capabilities. The pricing starts at $14.99 per month for Pro AI and $48 per user per month for Business AI. To list out some of their pros and cons, pros include their intuitive interface, time-saving AI-driven suggestions, and strong collaboration features, as we mentioned, being their top features. The downfall of Decktopus is they have no free plan, only basic design customization, and limited import-export options. Number 9 on our list is Sendsteps. This is a tool that is all about audience participation and engagement, featuring AI-generated presentation design, multi-language support, interactive quizzes, and live polls. As you can see with our pros and cons list, we found it easy to use with likable comprehensive engagement tools and multilingual support. It did have limited design control, and we noticed occasional AI glitches, which can be frustrating for a user. They have 4 different pricing options, giving anyone a chance to use the tool. Their lowest option is free, which who doesn't love that? Or the professional version will cost you $33.99 a month. There's an enterprise option available as well, but you'll have to contact their sales team to learn more about that. 8th on our top 10 list is Tome. Ideal for teams, Tome offers real-time collaboration, third-party integration, and AI-powered designs. Through AI, they generate visually appealing designs that are ready to be shown to your audience. It's user-friendly and features robust collaboration like we've seen with our other AI presentation makers that are already on this list. The cons, though, include limited customization again and occasional errors. This is one of the cheaper options for those who have a smaller budget. Pricing is from free forever to $8 per month per user, with an enterprise plan available as well. Simplified has text-to-AI features that has revolutionized the way that we create presentations. With pre-made templates, AI design assistance, collaboration tools, and a design customization tool, Simplified lands in the 7th spot on our list. It has an easy interface that welcomes users, a rich library of assets, and multiple export formats. But the lack of templates and customization options is ultimately why it falls in the back half of our top 10 list. Simplified also has a free plan, a $9 a month pro plan, and a business plan for just $15 a month. Number 6 is Design.AI. It's an all-in-one platform with smart templates, AI writer, a speech maker, automated design elements, and more. It even has a logo maker, adding to its already boastful array of tools. We like that it is rather user-friendly in its vast amount of tools and collaboration support. It's just a bummer that there's no free plan and has limited data visualization, which is a key component to any presentation. The cheapest option they have is $29 a month. Their Pro plan is $69 a month, or you can go big with their Enterprise plan at $199 a month. One of the more well-known names on this list is Canva. It's a popular choice with a vast template library, drag and drop interface, and magic write tool. It can create a well-organized presentation in a matter of moments with compelling content and creative designs. As far as its pros and cons, pros include its intuitive, diverse templates and strong collaboration abilities. The cons are that the advanced features are behind a paywall, which leads me to its pricing. It's middle of the pack with a free plan for basic users, a pro plan at an affordable $15 a month, or a team plan at $30 a month. Number 4 on this list is Storydoc. It combines AI with storytelling techniques for engaging presentations meant to share a narrative. It has a handful of features including AI-driven design, AI writing assistant, analytics insights, and more. Its pros are the integrations with third-party software and professional-looking design. The cons include the limited amount of available templates, customization, and the pricing is a little steeper than the competitors. The cost starts at $40 a month per user, or you can get some more options with the Pro plan at $60 a month. All right, we've reached the podium. Cracking the top 3 is Beautiful.ai. What we want when creating presentations through AI is simplicity, while also maintaining those stunning designs that captivate an audience. Beautiful.ai does just that through their designer bot. They have data visualization, AI writer, text-to-image generator, collaboration, and so much more. We love their rich library of free-to-use images, videos, and icons. They also have templates, and you can record voice over the slides rather than speak over them live. The cons come in the form of time. It takes time to master this site as it is so intuitive. Their integration is also a little bit more lackluster with limited capabilities. And there's no free plan either. The most affordable plan is $12 a month with teams at $50 a month, or you can contact them directly for an enterprise plan. The silver medal goes to SlidesGo. Offering free and premium templates with easy customization and regular updates, SlidesGo has become a very popular option. Once you type your topic and communicate the desired tone of your presentation, SlidesGo will have a presentation built for you in practically no time. And don't worry if you're not very well versed in English. Their AI saves time and supports multiple languages. However, the number of free templates available is limited, animation is limited, and their pricing is determined by the number of users. So you can do the $5.99 per month plan for premium and $3.50 per month for education. There is no team option available. Now, if you saw my shirt, or heck, the user of this video, you probably knew that this was coming. But hear me out. This isn't us tooting our own horn. We firmly believe that we are the #1 AI presentation builder, and let me explain why. Simply provide detailed prompts to the AI chatbot and watch as it transforms your ideas into beautiful multi-page presentations. It's like having your very own presentation wizard right at your fingertips. But Visme isn't just about presentations. You can explore a suite of AI-powered tools, including the AI document generator, AI report writer, AI business plan generator, AI image generator, and so much more. You'll boost your productivity and create stunning visual content in minutes. Visme's drag and drop editor is perfect for users of all skill levels. Customize every aspect of your presentation or project, from color themes and fonts to images and audio. Want it to directly match your brand's assets? Well, that's easy, and that's what Visme prides ourselves in. Visme offers a rich library of templates and styles, extensive customization options, and a vast library of stock photos, videos, and more. You can generate all new images or use Visme's AI touch-up tools to enhance your own. You can add audio clips or record voiceovers to bring your presentations to life. Visualize your data with over 20 charts, graphs, and maps. The entire thing is completely customizable to make sure your presentation perfectly displays your data points. Are you ready for more features? Stay with me here. For more advanced customization, integrate third-party tools and connect your charts to live data. Engage your audience with animations, interactive elements, and stunning 3D graphics. Collaborate seamlessly with your team. Edit, comment, and annotate in real time. Use Visme's Presenter Studio to record and deliver your presentations at your own pace, complete with presenter notes. And when you're ready to share, Visme offers multiple download and sharing options, including JPEG, PNG, PDF, MP4, GIF, PowerPoint, HTML5, SCORM, and more. And even when you're done building the presentation, you can track your audience's engagement with Visme Analytics and gain valuable insights into your own presentation's performance. Now, Mike, with all these features, Visme must cost a fortune. Well, no, we don't. With pricing plans for everyone starting from free to basic options at $29 a month, Pro at $60 a month, and team options as well, Visme has reasonable plans for everyone. So why wait? We understand if you want to date around first, but we ultimately believe that the love and marriage will be right here waiting for you at Visme.com. Don't let us hold you up anymore. Get to work. Not that you'll have very much to do with the help of AI. Nonetheless, thank you for watching. We hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please click that like button down below for us so more people like yourself will stop wasting their time considering all the different AI sites. We'll see you at Visme.com very soon. In the meantime, with Visme, I'm Mike Ploger, helping you make information beautiful.